Okay. All right. So now we're going to talk about pencil grips that are commercially available. And some of these you've probably seen around and don't know which one would be best. They all have different components. This one, what it does is it encourages a thumb on this side and an index finger on this side. And the finger just rests in the back. And it encourages flexion of the thumb so kids aren't holding their finger straight. And the star goes on top for easy placement. The next one is called a grotto grasp, and this does very similar things as the star grasp, just looks a little more low key, I guess. So the thumb goes in the side here, index finger goes on this side, and again the middle finger rests in the back. You can see the indentation back here for the index finger to rest. Okay, and these grasps all facilitate this C position of the web space between the index finger and the thumb. Okay, another one that we've probably all seen is a triangular grasp. Does something similar to a triangular crayon. Encourages the thumb on one side, index finger in the front, and the middle finger to rest on the back. This last one is called a stetro grip, and it has a star in one of the indents, and that's for the thumb. It has a circular indent in the front for the index finger and a wider depression in the back for the middle finger. So thumb goes on the star, index finger in the circle, and third finger behind. The next one we have is called a twist and write. And the way that this is held is your index finger goes right through the middle here and rests on the top, thumb on the side, and again, the third finger sits in the back. Again, encourages a tripod grasp.